place value.
Hello, class. Let's learn about place value today. Numbers have special places.
Look at this house. Dad has his room, Mom has her room, the child has a room too. Everyone has a special place.
Digits are like people. Every digit has its own special place.
Look at this number, 352. Let's find where each digit belongs. Let's start from the right. 2 is in the ones place. 5 is in the tens place. 3 is in the hundreds place. The 3 is worth 3 hundreds. The 5 is worth 5 tens. The 2 is worth 2 ones.
3 hundreds make 300. 5 tens make 50. 2 ones make 2. Put them together, and we get 352.
Now let's try a two-digit number. This is 47. The 4 is in the tens place, so it is worth 4 tens. The 7 is in the ones place, so it is worth 7 ones. Great job!
Now it's your turn. Look at this number, 63. Which digit is in the tens place?
That's right! 6! Great job!
Great job, boys and girls! Today we learned about place value. Every digit has a special place.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and learn with Benny every week.